kiddo, let's play with a sling thing. What is Grandma Goodie doing? She's playing with a sling thing that she made at home, and you can too. Come and join the fun.
That was so fun. Hi, kiddo. I'm Grandma Goodie, and today I'm going to tell you to just go play. Now, I know you're going to want to start slinging that thing and letting it fly. But before you do, you got to look around and make sure what could break if it got hit. So I'm going to show you, and I want you to pick out what needs to be put away before Grandma Goodie starts slinging things all over the house. Okay, so let's look. We're going to start here, and we're looking up on the TV cabinet. Do you see anything there that might get broke or spilled? Okay, and then we're going to go over to the mantle, and you see I got all these little Beanie Babies set up as targets for me because I got to practice finding the animals. Is there anything up there that you think might need to be moved before you start flinging things around the house? Yep, you saw that. Stop right there. Look here. This is Cinderella, and she's dancing with the prince. And Grandma Goodie loves this, and that's why you do not want to break Grandma Goodie's stuff flinging around the house. No matter how much somebody loves you, they don't want you breaking their nice things. So we're going to move that away, okay? Now what else? What else is there that might break or spill? Do you look around and do you see anything? I bet you do. Yeah, this here is a really pretty little vase of flowers, but that's got water in it. And these sling things, when they get a flying, they fly fast and hard. So I'm going to move that. I'm going to put this nice little parrot. I'll put him right there. He could be my target now, because see, there's nothing else I could knock over up there. But you ask the folks to make sure that you've got your room ready, that you're not going to break nothing, so you could just have fun playing and not worry about it. So kiddo, do you have your room ready to start slinging your things? Well, let's see. I'm going to put this little turkey here back where Cinderella was. That'll make a nice target. So kiddo, I know a lot of you have been cooped up in your house or apartment because of the quarantine. So there's ways to have fun inside too. You'll need to vacuum when you're done, or the folks will. But what you want to do is you're going to set up some targets in the house, and you're going to try to learn to sling your sling thing and get it to hit a target. So we're going to start with, you look down here. Bo, looky down here. Look down there, Bo. You see that in the middle, that's worth 1,000 points. And if you get it to land in the watermelon part, that's 100 points. And if you get it to land inside the jump rope, that's 10 points. And so then you're practicing to try to get it right in the middle, okay? You got that? Oh, Bo, you didn't get that? Oh, okay, so now watch Grandma Goodie. The first thing I'm going to do is you take it and you hold it by the end, and you're slinging, 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 and then you're going to get ready. So I'm going to sling it. I'm trying to hit one of those targets. Let's see what I can do. Whoops! Oh, I almost got the whale. Oh! Okay, that's not working so well. Try it this way. Okay, let's see how that does. Oh, I got the... Look! I got the puppy. I took out the puppy. Yeah. Oh, sorry, puppy. Okay, we put you back there, but you can see there's a little poof of flower there. That proves I got him right in the head. But, oh, Bo looks like he's a little concerned. Here, look here. Look here. Bo, you concerned that I hit that puppy? It's not a real puppy. I wouldn't hurt a real puppy, no. Okay, well, I'm going to go for the ones on top. Let's try that. Oh, no. Okay, let's try it again. Let's try it this way. Oh, I touched the robin. That counts. That counts. I'm counting that. Oh, this is harder than it looks. It takes practice. I'm going to go a little bit lower. Okay, little lower. Woo! I got the turkey! I got the turkey! Okay. Yeah, that's good. That turkey's got flour all over. Okay, we're going to try again. Okay, here we go. Oh, no, that's too low. Okay, so we got to try it a little higher. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Woo! Oh, I got the moose. I got the moose. Okay, that's fun. I'm going to try for this parrot here. Watch that parrot. I'm going to try it. That's hard, but I'm going to try for that parrot. I got the parrot! I got the parrot! Oh, I got the parrot! Yeah! Oh, boy, I got the parrot. Yes, I did. Okay, if you were a bird dog, you could go fetch that parrot for me. Anyway, put him back up there. And you see, look here. He got flour all over his beak because I got you. Okay, that's fun. Okay, well, that's good. See, this is why you want to have lots, so you don't have to keep running, retrieving it. You could do lots and try it again. Woo! I got the rat! Oh, yes, I got the rat. Okay, now, Bo's very interested. Oh, no, I just got the froggy in the face. See, that froggy, the top of him's up about 9 feet tall. That's how tall Goliath would be. Let me try to get him between the eyes. I got him! I got him! Oh, yeah, that's good. Okay, and I'm slinging. Oh, that rat, I got him again. Okay, I'm going to try. Here we go. Whoa, I got him! Well, I don't know if that counts or not. You have to make up your own rules. Oh, that didn't work. But see, now I got all 6 or 7 of my sling things, and I just get them. I grab them. I bring them back, set up my target. You could do this for hours and hours and have lots of fun. The other thing that you could do, like this is your target practice, okay? And in one of Grandma Goodie's stories, you hear about a little boy who did target practice when he was out in the field by himself. And it ended up saving his life, and it saved the lamb that he rescued from a big bear, and it also saved his whole country. So anyway, you can listen to that story later and see about the sling and how important it is in a Bible story. But for now, you got the idea of this part of target practice. Now let's go into the jungle. Now, kiddo, if you're lucky enough to have some outdoor space, you could set up some targets and pretend you're out in the fields and you're protecting your flocks from the big old bear or the lion or any other animals, and you can just do some practicing. So you could use your own imagination, but I'll show you some ways that I set up. So here I go. I'm winding up. So I could do it this way, or I could do it this way. You got to practice different ways, okay? But I'm aiming, if you notice, there's a giant bear. Oh, he's going to come and get my sheep. I got to protect my sheep. Okay, so Grandma Goodie's winding up the sling thing. Let's see if I can get that bear. Okay, then maybe I go this way. Woo! Okay, I got him. Oh, he's still coming at me. Let me get him in the fork. I got it perfect. I got it perfect right there. That's the sweet spot. That's what you want to get, because you'll see it comes in handy later to be able to hit right there. Okay, and then so you see that practice. Now watch this. Look, I got some other little ones lined up here, and so I can do some of the underhand. And let's see if I can hit me a gorilla. Oh, I got him. I got him. Yeah, let me try again. I want to get him in the face and knock him over. Oh, no, I didn't do it. Okay, let me try this one. I try again. Oh, no, too high. I got to do it over. Okay, I set up outside because I'm on a roll now. I'm on a slingy thingy roll. So what I'm going to try to do is get it right through the center of that hoop. Okay, you see that? So I'm going, oh, look, almost. Okay, woo, woo. Oop, nope. Wait, here we go. Oop, nope, I'm getting better though. Give me a minute. Oh, close. I gotta try again. Okay, let me try this way. Can you see me? Okay, kiddo, we're gonna try this. Oh, nope. That didn't work. Oh, nope. Let me try this again. Oh, shoot. Let's try this way. Let's see if that works. Oh, I got it. Isn't that fun? Okay, now I want to smack that little blue bear, because I got flour. If I want to knock him over, he'll look all floury. Oh, let me see. Oh, see? Woohoo! I got that blue bear. Let me show you. See? He's now an embarrassed blue bear. Then once you get good at doing it up close, then you get back farther and you could play sling thing tag with your friends. Come here, Bo. You want to play the sling thing tag?
Keep playing and practicing, and soon you'll be celebrating you remember, kiddo, Grandma Goodie loves you, but God loves you more.